If your Nintendo Switch update is stuck, you can follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you get your console back to normal. Step 1. Restart the console. Power off your Nintendo Switch by holding the power button for about 3 seconds, then select Power Options and choose Restart. This can often resolve minor software glitches. Step 2. Check internet connection. Ensure your Nintendo Switch is connected to the internet. Go to System Settings, then Internet, and select Test Connection. If the connection is weak or not established, reconnect to your Wi-Fi network. Step 3. Clear cache. Navigate to System Settings, then Data Management, and select Save Data Cloud Backup. From there, choose Clear Cache. This can help remove any corrupted data that may be causing the update to stall. Step 4. Update system manually. Go to System Settings, then System, and select System Update. This will check for any available updates and allow you to download them manually if the automatic update is stuck. Step 5. Factory reset if necessary. If all else fails, you may need to perform a factory reset. Go to System Settings, then System, and select Formatting Options. Choose Initialize Console. Note that this will erase all data, so back up your saved data if possible. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue with your Nintendo Switch update. If problems persist, consider contacting Nintendo support for further assistance.